Hi, it looks like you've made it to the parent class section of Google Classroom, and I want to just do a little video on how to access some of the different things and kind of show you the different things that I want you to check out. First of all, my video should be posted right here in parent class, but it's not in my video yet because, I'm currently recording it. There should be a couple more things on here. There should be a playlist of a lot of videos of the interviews that I did with kids, and they kind of talked about the things that they liked in Google Classroom. Some of them are a little bit more critical than others, but they're kind of cool to watch and see what they think. I was planning on editing some of them, but I didn't. It turned out to be a lot more time than I thought, and I'm going to post these and send these out to through my parent communication as well. So kind of like what we talked about in our goal setting conferences, you can go into the different classes. And I'm just going to choose my AM class for a quick example. And some of the big important things that I want you to know how to do and check with in the Google Classroom are missing work and how to read assignments. And I want you to actually try it this time instead of just watching your kids do it. The reason that you're going to do this is because I want you to be able to sit down with your kids and kind of ask them these particular parts about it so that you can be a little bit more connected with them and check in to make sure that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. All right, so this is the main screen of Google Classroom, and one of the big things that you'll see is this feed. It's kind of like a Facebook feed or an Instagram feed, and it just shows you all the stuff that we've done. And you will quickly notice that we have a lot of things in here. I typically assign one or two things every day. So by the end of the year, or by the end of the semester, this is going to be huge and with a lot of different stuff. That's okay because it kind of loads as you go. So let's take a look at one of the things that we've kind of put in here. One of the most recent ones we're doing about SpongeBob experiments, and you can critique some of the ideas that SpongeBob is doing in his experiments. When we're loading it, you can see, it's going to give me a little bit of an example of how to do it. And I use this as my recording sheet, and I can type in my answers and put things right into here, and it just saves it automatically, so I won't lose anything. When you listen to the interviews, one of the things that you'll notice is that their kids really like how it helps them stay organized. And that's one of the big focuses and one of the best parts about Google Classroom, I think, as well. So it kind of looks like this. You can check it out, read it if you'd like. Going back to the classroom, if you would check out one of the math assignments too, you can go easily see how the videos work. You can go follow it to YouTube. But over here is one of the big keys. You can click that little button in the top and go see their work. Now, this account is my basic account, so it has not turned in anything. So you can see that there are a lot of things due that we've kind of assigned over the whole year. Now, normally there would be much less, and our goal, of course, is to have zero, or at least things that are just due in the future instead of in the past. And this will then show the things that have already been done. Those are the big focuses of things that I want you to do. If you would then go back to the parent class, once you're done exploring some of the assignments and you go to the stream here, I would love if you would watch some of the interviews and maybe even leave a comment or two on some of them so that the kids can check them out and watch each other's as well. Thanks. We'll have a chance for questions at the end if you have any other things you'd like to ask.